so I wanted to show the new snap that I made. Kind of a copy of the one I bought. So just to see if I could, make something good. And this is my solution how to get the angle right. Someone mentioned that was off and seems to work. This is what I did today. And this is the last bit of good grass I have to mow, so see how it goes. That works really good. That's some tough dry grass too, so ought to cut the tender stuff great, but that's just how this stuff is. Super hard and super slick. But that's it. That's the new one and it's finished. Very very sturdy as that wiggles loose. Yeah. Oh, that's easy to fix though.